Let's be honest, you're probably drowning in data, but are you actually getting any smarter? In a world that's just flooded with AI tools and information, the only thing that really matters is operational intelligence, the kind that moves at the speed of your business. And that requires structure, right where it counts.
So that brings me to a really critical question. You've invested a ton in technology, right? But is it delivering the clarity you were promised? Or is it just making the noise louder, basically creating faster chaos?
If that question hits a little too close to home, you are definitely not alone. We see this all the time. Companies have all these powerful tools, but their data is all over the place, totally fragmented. And what that means is your people are making decisions in silos without the full picture. Those reliable outcomes you need, they feel almost impossible to get a handle on.
Okay, so let's break this down. The old way of doing things, just pulling up information, it's completely broken. It's slow, it's fragmented, and it forces you to always be playing catch-up. The new reality, though, it demands a massive shift to what we call intelligence reasoning. We're talking about getting instant, structured, proactive insights that give you a real, decisive advantage.
And this is why our whole philosophy is actually pretty simple. AI is not the product. Structure is. See, any technology without a solid framework underneath it just speeds up the chaos. So what we do is design that operational system for your business first. Then, and only then, do we use AI to make that structure adaptive and genuinely intelligent.
So what you're looking at right here, this is not just another dashboard. I want you to think of this as your company's business nervous system. It's the one place, a single command environment, that senses, interprets, and lets you act on everything that's happening in every corner of your operation.
So how does it work? Well, at its core, this is one single decision-making layer that sits right on top of the systems you already have, all your Microsoft and Google environments. It absorbs all that operational complexity. It basically untangles all the wires so you get one single, unified view of your entire business.
And that unified view, it delivers the three things every leader is really after. The first one is just absolute clarity into your operations.
The second is real, unprecedented control over risk. We're talking about turning hours of your team digging through data for one little piece of information into just minutes of structured clarity. And finally, it gives you confidence. The kind of confidence that only comes from real business results. Getting valuable time back for your people, saving money by cutting out inefficiency, and of course, unlocking new growth.
So here's the bottom line. This isn't for everyone. It's specifically engineered for leaders like you, for people who have to make decisions where the consequences really truly matter. If you're ready to stop the chaos and start leading with structured intelligence, we should talk.